Ray, Samantha, Garin, welcome to the Cleantech Challenge. We're excited to have you participate in this year competition. And we want to know a little bit more about Cyclos Charge Plus. So could you please introduce yourselves?
My full name is Deepshay Ray. I'm a biochemistry major, so degree medicine. I grew up in Portland. I was born in Fiji Islands and have been here for about 9 years and love the state ever since.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I recently transferred over to PSU and I'm now studying public health administration with a minor in business. I'm a first generation student, so being at PSU is meaningful to me and I'm happy to be part of this year's competition with my teammates and Juan.
Hi, I'm Garen Laird. I'm a accounting major at PSU. I got my associate's degree at Central Oregon Community College.
So tell us, how did the team hear about the Cleantech Challenge competition?
We were introduced to Cleantech in our business class that revolved around entrepreneurship as we created a solution for the problems that we've considered. Juan saw the potential in our product and encouraged us to apply.
Great, thank you. Now, Cyclo Charge Plus, what is it? What is your prototype? How it works?
Our team's invention, CycloCharge Plus, is a bicycle gadget that you can charge with electronic devices using kinetic energy. It is created by individuals that love riding their bicycles for short or long commutes. It comes with wireless charging and or corded charging capabilities. It also offers a rechargeable battery and removable battery that can also charge your laptop, tablet, and other electronic devices too.
Great, excellent. Now, the inspiration for your idea, your invention, where did that come from?
So when we were considering problems that we wanted to address, a lot of them went back to the transportation downtown. So we felt like encouraging the use of alternative transportation methods, like bike sharing downtown and just personal bike use would be a great solution to implement. So by utilizing our product, we would help those commuting to work or just for fun to have their devices on the go for directions, whether communication and any other essentials that their devices provide.
That's great. Now, you want to give us a better insight. What is the problem the Cyclo Charge Plus addresses? People want to know, what are the things that what is the problem you're solving? What would that be?
So the problem we want to address is the overuse and especially the unnecessary use of motor vehicles in metro areas. You can see it in Portland. I mean, everyone's been caught in a traffic jam on I-5 waiting for hours at complete standstill. And in addition to that, we wanted to focus being able to charge your device no matter how you're commuting to work, because everyone's woken up with a dead phone that they forgot to charge. And sometimes they even forgot to charge their battery packs that they normally use throughout the day.
Thank you. Now, you're solving a big problem and you're going to have some barriers and challenges. What are the biggest challenges, obstacles you foresee?
Right. So the biggest challenges as a team we do foresee is getting to the expectations that we want the product to be. Things such as reaching the perfect wattage output level. Our goal is to stay between 15 to 25 wattage. The reason being it needs it to charge more powerful devices. Our goal is also to have the battery pack to store up to 48 hours of battery generated by using the kinetic energy, and also figure out a way to make per cycle, per charge greater per revolution.
That's great. Thank you. Now, how do you guys connect with each other? How do you guys met? How you guys come together as a team? And what is the experience so far?
We all met in our business entrepreneurship class that we were encouraged to take the Cleantech Challenge from. And we ended up working well through the class, and we're trying our luck in the Cleantech Challenge.
Very technological, engineering heavy concept. How's that helping with your teammates? You have Ray and Gary. How you guys are blending together as a team?
I feel like I was able to adjust well. In high school, I focused on engineering as well. So going through the process of like problem solving and creating prototypes familiar to me. So I like working together with them to like come up with solutions for putting together our future prototype that we're going to present soon at Cleantech. And just like gathering all the materials and communicating with them.
Ray, you are a biochemistry major, right? So this is also a little bit of a lot physical prototype, a lot of engineering that probably is not your field. How's that going?
Back in high school, like Samantha, I had some engineering experience as well. I actually went to a charter school specialized in mechanical engineering. So I did the program there. It was great. I did have fun, learned how to program, engineering, how to use different types of machines. When it comes to manufacturing products and programming, I'm very well rounded on that. And that's why I feel like we're successful so far.
Great. Now let's keep in that. Let's talk about your personal goals and what you hope to get out of this experience. You are in the Cleantech Challenge. You learn about it during the class. Personally, in your own words, what you try to get out of this experience, what you hope to get out of this experience.
I decided to pursue Cleantech because my team members were really interested in following through with their idea, and I just wanted to see how far we can get with it. And I think it's interesting learning about the business side of things and also just creating the prototypes and everything.
Great. Ray, what you hope to get out of this competition and experience?
My goal is to just check out all different products or ideas that other individuals have came up with. We have seen Cleantech. I just want to see, like us, we came up with the Cyclocharge Plus, what other ideas other teams have came up with based on that theme.
I hope to learn a lot more about the entrepreneurship and for any future businesses or tasks, things I want to do in the future, but really just figuring out how products are made and how they serve the customer.
Okay. That's great. Thank you. If you get an opportunity to talk to the judges, what is the one thing that you want the judges to understand about Cyclocharge Plus?
When we get the opportunity with judges, our main focus is to focus on the bigger picture and what our team is striving to achieve. Just as many other environmental enthusiasts, our goal is to create a relationship with the environment and create products that not only help the people living in it, the planet as well. So focusing on ideology, what we're planning to achieve. Our team would like the judges to focus on that picture.
Great, thank you. Now, it's everybody's responsibility to protect our planet. We know the climate change is real, resources are limited. For your generation coming and going through college right now and soon to be in the workforce, what you feel is a responsibility for our next generation that's coming, you and the next one, to the environment?
I feel like it's everyone's responsibility, especially ours. Even though we haven't contributed to it, there's a lot of changes that can be done and things that we can develop to change the next generation's lifestyle. So creating changes now and considering what will happen in the future is essential.
Thank you. What would you like to see from other student innovators in regards to being environmentally conscious? If you are an inventor and entrepreneur, you are an innovator, what would you like to see other students pursuing the same path that you guys are doing to do in regards to the environment?
I'm just super excited to see what other ideas people around come up with regarding themes. So I'm just excited on those.
Cool. And with that,